In this video, I'll show you how to put apps on desktop on Windows 11 or 10 in PC. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel. First of all, what you need to do, just right click on the desktop and then you will get this option. Click here on show more options. Here you will find the option for personalize. You have to click there, and here we need to click on themes, and then you will see the option desktop icon settings. We have to click here and then main window will pop up. Here we have to tick on computer and now just hit on OK. And yeah, you can see this PC icon is added, and now we can put apps on desktop. To put apps on desktop, you just have to click on this start button, and here you have to click on all apps. Here you can find many apps in your PC which are installed, and whatever app shortcut you want to add on desktop, you can just go ahead. In my case, I will add suppose this one. Just you have to drag the app and just paste it here. And yeah, this is how you can put apps on desktop. Now it's your time to repay me. For that, you can just subscribe my channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.